no ebesi akọ Felicity I have fanyo I have fianyo. Felicity will laugh. Felicity, have a very good morning. I have damaged your name, cry.
In fact, you butchered the name, Papa.
What is it? Is it Ahafianyo, right?
Akoma, Ahafianyo.
Ahafianyo. Oh, okay. Okay.
It's good to have a friend.
Oh, okay. That is the name.
That's the meaning.
Oh, what a wonderful sweet name.
You see,
and you are my friend. You are my friend.
Yes, you are also my friend.
Anyway, so what are we looking at for today? The weather.
Yes, today the weather is going to be pretty good for over the 16 regions between now and up to 3-4 p.m. We'll have just some partly cloudy sky. The sun will also be smiling on us today. Around the Kumasi, temperatures will be around 34-35 over your area. If anybody is coming to Accra, temperatures will be 32. If anybody is going to Tamale, the temperatures will be 36-37. If they are going to Bolga, Nagsongo, Boku, Tumu, those areas, temperatures will be around 38 degrees Celsius. That means their area is going to be a bit hot today. And then we have an approaching rainstorm as usual from our east. It's currently over northern Benin into Togo. It's going to push into the northern portions of Ghana. So we are looking at late afternoon into the evening hours. So those over Tamale, Yendi, parts of the upper east region, and then parts of OT region will all be engulfed in the system. But then the pressure that we look at for, and then the directional wind flow, they are not favorable, so it's going to retard its movement. So it's likely that it's not every area over that area will get the rain. Some will just be cloudy, and then some will have thundery showers out of it. So once we are certain and then we are okay to go, we'll definitely send you an update at 11 a.m. this morning so that you can read it out or interpret it to your listeners so that they can get themselves ready. For Kumasi, we have 40% chance of rain today, and then those going to Koforidua, we also have 40% debris. It's also in the forecast for some rain. So you're coming to Accra today, no much rain activity is anticipated over Accra, but then in the evening hours, yes, we are anticipating some clouds that will drift in from the sea and then induce cardinal with light rain here and there. So,
from to the layman's understanding, we are not expecting rain heavily this today, right?
Yes, for the southern sector, we are not expecting massive rain as we've witnessed over the weekend for the southern sector today, except the ones that were formed over us. That type of rain we are talking about.
Good to have a friend like Felicity. I'm grateful.
Yes. So today is in Kumasi.
And I can pronounce Ahafianyo.
Watch out. What behind the
I wish you all the best to that. But I say, I Akoma 7.9 FM. But what is saying? So better than Zunto.
Kofi wait here. Also, ban the FM here. Kosro honoa. Ensuno omonya enya sure say ebetimi ato nemu. 50.
You are on Chimodia 9. Super power sentiment.
Eti anya sure say ebi ebeto anasento but ni nyina na say emo boy ho. Sanso ana eba no enkran pumpuni mantem ni mu a eno nso o kire say eba na sade ewiemu nsakran no besi aye no aye wo hamu nchichemu be say eduasamienu ana ye kan say ewiemu nsakran no besi aye eni ti wiemu besi aye kusu kakra ewiane mo pi honom na ase enso no ebehye afri epunu mu afamu aba ho but ento ewo enkran na obisa ne say entisesi ano onkensi su people say eba no asante mantem ya ene sore ha no a enso no betimi ato ana no o chese o we no 50-50 enya de ebetimi ato but ebetimi ato nso se de weather no besi aye no o se wiemu be kusu kakra ewiane mo pi gidigidi se de ya na ewiane bo no nti obo ne tofa ma ye se enya de a enso no ebetimi ato no gidigidi na emum ebetimi ato eno so ntimi to na se be no fen kakra.
Okay. Debbie ensu a eto a eyi now we need take you through the video.
Yes.
Walker mama maminya de video of Accra.
Yes,
the
Accra,
era
no.
viewer nsuo na yiri fankofo. Now o hwe we ya enye first time na sa nsuo we dey nenketo mu a aye nenketo mu because yenye nsuo bibia efree nsuo etototo imu na work abema a picture of Daily Graphic publication we mo ye no on the 18th of April 1960 yes. Sometimes Ghana won't cry. Daily Graphic.
Yes, Daily Graphic name.
When the rains came to Accra.
To Accra. No, Monday.
What a headline.
Yes.
When the rains came to Accra
and crying.
Jesus Christ.
But for sure, also be no more exercises omo the bucket. Edison says so no from when him. Yes, because of flooding no. Now share picture kese na. Kasa ewo ho no mo ene nkofo ejja ho na nso yes sana adewe etie ewo 1960 somewhere in 1960 it is obesha we haven't learned any lesson now bekaya about 3 years ago ena ayawa so west wagon odo river ne odo whatever ne wo odona aha emu ejiri ya John Dumelo ye na adwe so no so kwa kwatimu kakra na chese nso natimi afa musa ekoko wi akira assembly no sorry ya na eka say no onye abamu nipa e official ade so mo ye nti omo ma ne kwa ma ne nye years down the line na now da kwa kufuado esoso eko ho no mo ekoko inspect ye then I'll give you a picture of anyama ekoso e ho no mo no so ko inspect ye eka so oba obe make sure say obe build storm drains ahodo a betimi nso betimi afafofa mu na chese sa to ye chemu ento Ghana for biem but yes along the line egu so ye kika ya
that's why we the same problem
ni refi so the tepe ni refi so the tepe ni refi ntubehu ne ekoso e won cry ena oba Kumasi so a go fi enye so new to Kumasi environment especially
I mean just last year
yes
yiri kejetia
yes
yiri almost everywhere except for Johnny on Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM what you share video no like page now for comment eto na part of the discussion
if you do me comment nim ho no mo a e ho no mo de it says swimming pool.
Yes.
Udu me komani mo no me hono mo te say swimming pool every single time bia so be piti bia no e hono mo eyiri.
Now what am fami kwa henema kokobin video a ye hwa na ensuo eyiri afa mia wodo bebre but this is so serious. Now yes. Watch this video.
Yes.
Share.
Yes.
Share.
Where are Hima Kokobe?
That this video is not a Hima Kokobe video. I'm not Kokobe there here.
Hima Kokobe deni.
Okay, Hima Kokobe deni.
Hima Kokobe deni.
There's a Hima Kokobe.
Yes. Hima Kokobe deni.
Okay, yentie the ambient temana.
Good morning. Anopa me mpatemu. Wakufi me mpatemu ni o. Saturday no. Inso na toy no. Kokobe area mu ho no. Ekwan ni mfimfini pe nkwan ni mu. Ena inso no ayiri enam kwan ni sa no enti no ya enam ho nya na enam one way cause muso na yiri unnim na kofa nso ni ma ha oka no nso ndetwe akọ.
Wow, that is serious man. Yankwa amaso na any taxi driver kwasi awu ani nkomo kwasi. Good morning.
Good morning Agofi.
Kwasi ehfa na nsuo no po hempa poti na eyiri fa nipa ne niam nyine.
On say if we anyam eko kokobena that careful sharp be no on that sharp be no if we na kokobe we are track in sharp if no
yeah
and then so na yiri o pa intino na cars link from intino na cars number 1 way
Akoma FM
cars number 1 way intino na yiri if you be evidence akwan intino na yiri refi na and na police station na le wo kwan no nsi ni na mo ni na le ko ni na abo market.
Wow. Enti as we speak just say e won de na ka anko na ka ma
Ya na ka anko ka ma because ye ti ma kokko be na mo anwe e na omo mo so mi fi ko be so le sina kukuru so be film le na ni na na so na traffic a chi ba.
And the video ye share filling station ben na nsu yira fa ho nyina.
Filling station na ewo ekwan no no eyi kokobi e free eyi sa sharp cap no say ucha sa sharp cap na filling station be right. Ewo kokobi na filling station be right ekwan no okay. That filling station na nsu eyi FM no.
just nsu kra say enshadan to kitikiti say bia na ka say itimi yiri ni amasa o
nsu na no nye den nsu na to kese ba nsu ni yimfa oho na mu no nsu dabre bai onso mo ye kwan no gata o ma nye gata bia won nchen enti nsu ni ya bia amfa enti nsu to kitikiti kra na yiri afalo kwan ni na sana koyo.
Wow. And that is serious. Just empty drivers more than
the drivers when so call in Kumasi you now which made the 1 hour 30 minutes and 2 hours and gonna wait my traffic according traffic you because can complain and 1 week or by and 1 week yeah I call the same way and I'm so can't go come and I can say go for the deal so you so one time you soon at volcano I was saying the volcano and the all the that I'm going from Nanyasam to Accra.
There's a video from a year Kanishi. Okay, anyway, Kwasi, my man now I say, but now Walker, good. Now video we wait be mukakra. Maybe there's a dynasty one
answer. Yes, a bridge in so namas yes I know. Say asat now.
No, but I think there's a Diane Casa you know a
dynasty. Yes, a dynasty the other side of it. A dynasty.
How many dino?
Governor say where there. I mean a nekito mo. O share a dino roofing sheets in the wall no. And obi a wabon a dish, say decoders or whatever. Multi TV. Because baby say baby a yeti na yehu baby a dish na board there. It means to say afar to the lentil level. I just say more than roofing level. As you see, I know baby a dish boy a yammer no crack. So this is what we are seeing. Ni soni yeni. And then so so air course so at the nyama a fee and nyama ya to trogu gatemu and a denam. It is speed that at the corner annual the year pa annual ding. I just say sa speed na de koni na a fee ni nyama hodwa and self attesting and kedi be gu kwamuno. And no moon as say edia gu so so a piani na ediako. Into a prepran kofu ankasa. Na o share fini bi na etetete ade nani obi sa storm drains sa enso ye ade to tui enye na ene ebebe hu asem aka almost every year ye hu sa ade we wo Ghana ha no mo say na reporter eba from 1960 video picture me de kire we a kire sa say enso every year be ebe solve somewhere in 2016 Kofi MPP manifesto e can declare say they are going to tackle storm drains. Abrana, they are going to tackle rainfall with that storm drains. You know. Now, I'm making sure say bridges are hold on, gutters are hold on, or makes me aqua cost of containing. Yes. Now, MPP manifesto 2016.
2016.
Yeah, 2016. And then they will have no Muslim. Now, there are 2 boardroom.
What have projected the party's manifesto?
Send a who say, a true story.
Something and not party.
Yes, a common manifesto. Yes, a manifesto. No one just say.
Okay, where MPP will construct a
MPP will storm drains in Aka. Yeah, another bridge in the sono. And the bridge in the so one crime.
Before election,
that is 2016 elections. NPP will construct storm drains in Accra and other cities. I just say, on my pain in another damn Kufado. Now, who say, Saturday we now very worried pa at the Magana for especially more one kind. Don't be delay with storm drains, and other cities, towns to deal with recurrent and devastating flood. Now, Omoko to Saturday way our manifesto 19. That is page 82.
Page 82.
Yes. Now, so what about my page 82
of the MPP's manifesto?
Yeah. Now, this is page 82. Point number VI. Tackling flooding. And crime. Or say, flooding in the country has led to regrettable loss of lives and property, as well as spread of diseases, including cholera. As the first step, the NPP will construct storm drains in Accra and other cities and towns to deal with this recurrent and devastating flood. As a long-term, permanent solution, we will establish national hydrology authority, which will be responsible for developing long-term solution to flood control and the protection of our inland and sea coastal lines. The authority shall plan, develop, maintain, protect and administer drainage flood control measures, major dams and sea defense measures, including construction of major storm drains to reduce the flooding, the risk of flooding, constant drainage and devastating of our waterways in the region. So Kofi, so work as me de and also at the two board. So this is the promise the NPP government at the Ghana for in 2016. Page 82 of their constitution, of their manifesto. Now, years along the line, Yegusra experiences flooding, so Kesseya etwa, ne uniform kofu, one crime, Emma Yahubi, and no year so kakra pity, one crime, no Kofi Yahubi. Emma Siciano, and also results at the banner, very, very sad and very dangerous to our health. Now, June 3rd, Kofi na ebekai filling stations ahodo ani esisi edisi waterways ni na no nsuo toye ekoyirifa enkofo bi ma che ejakakra efaso ema nkofo so ehwe omonkwa. So we haven't learnt any lessons from enyema ekoso as a result of nsuo bebreba eto na edese lives and property in our country way from 1960 now to this time.
Mama share, I mean, give me the exact commentary our video I share on Facebook page.
Kofi, you share the Ecoso Facebook so Akoma 87.9 FM Wamuche radio no betimi aba Facebook page no so na wabehwe sisi the Ecoso say baby me hu say a marketplace. But enso a cars e honom your car place parking place honom a enso na tosan so ana shops ahodo a honom but enso ne toye no enso no apeja afrofro aba car no so unse atra bompa no car ne bompa no kra ama ye share baby a omo e shop no wo no a enso no afra wura shop nim ama se obi ginemu a enso no etra nipa ne kotodwe ebetra ne sisi edi se bia ye hwe baby ewura ya we no obi shop a oton phones e wo shop nim na ensu no ewura shop nim akomemene phones ni bi kura e wo Facebook nim a amanfo hwe unse abrante bi wo mu a o twetwetwetwe tables ni bi free ensu nim phones no a agugu ensu nim no o sisa free mu a e koso e wo Facebook ne so but ye hwe efie yesi wo ya me unse efie ni a painting white efimono efikese na ohese de nsu no esia mene edan no a amena afro konchance dan ne so wo se atra efie ne pono no amomo na afufa mpema ne so ama sesi aye kasa de eyadru efie ne chance dan ne so eti ye hwefie ahodo ewo baby nsu no afefa wodwom ho ni nyina no a sesi ne nsu na bedru chance dan na no ewo Facebook ne so a akoya reho sempa ne ti se enipa tisimu a nsu no ba mini nipa no be kata nipa ne so bu we nyina ya de a ekoso ewon kran Ghana hasem ne yekan edi mo tie radio no se Facebook no so no ekoso gidigidi ya ase enso ne se yiri ni nyina no ese twi efi ohwe enua hodo boxes ahodo ye enso ne se twi but sa no ma ni nyina no eye Ghana fo no a etin kran no a o ana totototo sa no ma ni nyina de gu gatamu a enso ne yiri ye no ese twi enoma na esisi gata no ediepie eti yebeha ensuo no gates no emu no ma no na ewurawurawura efie no ese pass through we say montre so eti Kofi we serious adea
more than serious.
Oh, yes.
And that is so dangerous that ever on Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM we part Johnny. You share the video, you like the page, now they'll comment at the tour. But maybe phone lines, you know, now at your former bem. Now, one mania will take you been out now you dealing with all the issues out within the new patriotic parties about Basso. But Maminya Abuafo Rainbow Agro Science Limited.
Sure.
Nsuo tuto etwase kuafo etimi ema wafu ye kamakama.
Onse Kofi nsuo tuto se ya nabu kuafo pa nti se bi omo duadua omo duadua broni ade no etimi bo wo mo na nsuo to ne so no esa ma nwura fun ten awafum ho enti se wutie ye na uye kuani ansa kura na ye bebo so no ginamba yi ansa mesre wada ma honye ha mesre fa kentane to wo se kan gyaise na epa bidi anase kopa pen ne chok bi na etwetwe dan ho sesi e wo de onya pepa nya abotre na fa dua bi twetwe dan ho number no amede ma no uye kuanu e bebo papa eti je we no eyefo akuafo ene wo mo a omotontontonton efuo hu nduro no mesre e bebo amopa ni nti number emonye nto eye 0240 897 074 0240 897 074 mesre obi so obolonya abotre na akamienu mesro nya abotre fa kentene to ne twere number ni eye 0240 897 074 me da say eno no Rainbow Agro Science Limited na unim se wo yekuani na abiribia sesie wo do ya na emura no asefu wafumu eni ti abiribia na wo ba paafo paasa mo mo do sa mesre wa sa do bebrebe ni se etwam eni ti se opese wafumu hote yo se na afen so eno ba na wadua ni timi fuye paade a mesre wada Rainbow Agro Science Limited fu ndro no a mebo boso no ana ese ko na de bepete afumu a ebebo ma nwura basa nwura sisi a wo do ye na ase asafufu afumu nyina no etimi ahia one time na ehia